Okay, hi there. So we're starting with Fusion 360, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up things. A lot of times people will come in here and they'll just start sketching. They'll create a sketch here and then they'll start going there with it without setting it up right. So what I've noticed is that you need to keep this guy untouched and then make another component underneath it, right? Because if you're having multiple components, a component is like a bigger container. It has the bodies and the sketches and things in it. So instead of just coming in and right away drawing, what I would go to is go to create and then go to create a new component, right? And let's say this, we're going to call this component just box for now. And actually we'll do egg because we're going to do other videos will have an egg in it. But we're going to call it egg. Hit OK. And then you see it's kind of changed names there. So this is like the Uber component. It's a component itself, but it's an Uber one. And then there's components under it, kind of like a tree thing, right? So also with Fusion 360, you need to change this name here. So go up to File, and then do Save. And what that's going to do is it's going to shoot it back to Fusion 360's. I don't know if it's a cloud or what, but it seems like when you load stuff, you kind of got to go from your computer to their thing and then back. Like they kind of have it hooked to everything, which is kind of weird, but that's just the way it is. So I'm gonna save this thing and let's just call it egg 3 or something like that. And it's gonna hit save. And what's going to happen with that is it's going to change names here, and it'll eventually end up in this data panel of yours that you click these square things there, and it'll show up in here somewhere, right? So that next time you want to open it, you don't have to go back to your computer to do it. That's closing. Okay, so anyway, so now that we have that set up there, right, then you can start to do components off of it there if you want to, right, and you sort of build off of this one here. So the simple point is that keep this guy undone. There's nothing in here, right, and then anything that builds comes down here. Then if you have another component that's going to kind of connect to that one there, they all build off of this like a tree. That's just a simple way to set it up. That it just makes it so that like you can work on individual things on larger stuff.